Hello, boys and girls. Welcome today. Good afternoon. We have one puzzle left in this puzzle page of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, September the 9th, 2023. And there are two puzzles left, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars. Well, it's actually a 2 stars puzzle. It has 26 printed digits, yeah, 2 stars. And so one puzzle is left, and it's the binary puzzle. After this puzzle, I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition. And in the evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Okay, so let's get started with this one. This one will be number 70. 70, 070, yes, 070. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And yeah, it has 27. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row, or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Well, between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And oh, double one, here no, there no. Overlooked. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Well. Okay. And now, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there. Then 1. Oh, almost made a mistake. Okay, here also. Let me correct this. Okay, come on. This is a 1. Okay, and now. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Yeah. And now, here, now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Well, we need to think here. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be no. 3, yeah. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know which order. So we have the first one, second first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So those two boxes should be a 1 then. Okay, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Between two 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. And 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Well. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I need to think. Yeah. Well, time for comparing. The question is, can I compare? 2, 3, 4. Can I compare? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me see. We have overlook this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1s in a row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. If I place the 5th O here, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this row, first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. And between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, completed in 8 minutes. Well, 8 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles in the Friday edition. Yes. Until then, bye bye for now.